Okay, so here today what we'll do is we'll continue yesterday's problem. So yesterday we have left till here, right? We have found it out v1 minus v4 is equal to 0.0123 meter cube. Now today what we'll do is we'll continue to the case number 2. Okay, in yesterday's problem there were two cases. Case number 1, m and n values are different. In case number 2, we are having m and n values same. Now what is the formula for work done? See, our work done formula is n upon n minus 1 into p1 v1 p2 p1 raised to n minus 1 upon n minus 1 minus c here. Initially it was m over here, right? Now what in second case what they have said, m is equal to n. So again this will be what, n upon n minus 1 p4 v4 p3 p4 raised to n minus 1 upon n minus 1. So see here we know that from the TS diagram or PV diagram, p4 is equal to p1 and p3 is equal to p2. Okay, now if I substitute the values here as p4 is equal to p1 and p3 is equal to p2, what will be there? See here, p1 v1 n upon n minus 1 will be common. So see, n upon n minus 1 is common, I have taken out. P1 is there and p1 is common. P1 is common. What is remaining? v1 minus v4 is remaining. So what is next? What is remaining in the bracket? p2 p1 raised to n minus 1 upon n minus p2 p1 is also common, minus 1. Okay, this is nothing but this is my remaining terms. Now substituting the values, what is n? N is 1.3. It was 0.3. 100 p1 100 kilopascals. v1 minus v4 we have calculated as 0.0123 and p is 500 upon 100, 1.3 minus 1 upon 1.3 minus 1. So what will be work done per cycle? One cycle will be 2.40 kgs, sorry, kilojoules. Now see, what is the error now? Error is 2.42. Work done, net work done when m and n is not equal, minus work done when m and n is equal upon this 2.42. So we will get 0.83% is the percentage error. So that's yesterday's problem. Now today we will do the next problem. What's given in the question? In the question it is given as a double acting compressor. See here the compressor is double acting with piston displacement. What is this displacement volume? Vs. Yes. What is displacement volume? Vs. How much it is? 0.04 meter cube per stroke. Operates at 480 rpm. What is given? Speed is given 480 rpm. The clearance volume is, see here in this question, clearance volume is not given. Percentage clearance is given. It is what? Clearance percentage. How much it is? 4%. And it receives at 100 kilopascals, means P1. Discharge at 500 kilopascals below to P2. Then the compression and expansion is polytropic. Means what? PV raised to n is equal to constant. What is n value here? N value is given as 1.3. What they have asked is determine the power required and the air discharge meter cube per second. Okay. What is the first step? The first step is to draw the PV diagram. What is the PV diagram? See here, this is the PV diagram. See, in this PV diagram we have to consider the clearance volume. Since clearance volume is mentioned in the question, so I have to consider the clearance volume. So what will be PV diagram? See, this is 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 3 dash is clearance volume. Okay, then 3 to 4 is 1 to 2 is what? Compression process. 2 to 3 is constant volume, constant pressure process. 3 to 4 is constant adiabatic expansion. So not adiabatic, polytropic expansion. And 4 to 1 is again constant pressure process. Okay. It's my way. Now from figure what we can obtain? See, V3 is equal to Vc. Can you see here? See this line. V3 is equal to, if I take this line straight downward, I'll get V3 equals to Vc. Okay. Next, what I have, see, what is swept volume? Vs or displacement volume? V3 minus V1. So V1 minus V3 is again Vs. So it is given in the question. Swept volume or displacement volume is given. How much it is? 0.04 meter cube. N is given. Clearance volume percentage is given. And P1 is given. P2 is given. The process is polytropic. P raised to n is equal to constant. N is 1.3. What is the formula for work done now? If first what we'll do is we'll consider the work done for single stage compression. What it is? N upon n minus 1 into P1, V1 minus V4, P2 P1 is 10 minus 1 upon n minus 1. See, it is in I'm taking here it is in a solved format, right? I have taken all the common terms on the side and have written it like this. In this problem, what I have written? Like this I have written. See, directly I have written it. N minus n upon n minus 1, P1 into V1 minus V4, P2 P1 is 10 minus 1 upon n minus 1. It is in, I have taken the common terms out. Now what is the first step? See here, we don't have V1, we don't have V4, right? I have to calculate the value of V1 and V4. How to calculate? See, what is given in the question? V1 minus V3 equals to Vs. From the diagram I have seen. What is percentage clearance? Percentage clearance is equals to clearance volume upon displacement volume. Okay. परसेंटेज क्लियरेंस कितना दिया है 4% है, बोले तो 0.04। क्लियरेंस वॉल्यूम वीसी है अपॉन डिस्प्लेसमेंट वॉल्यूम कितना है क्वेश्चन में 0.04 है। सो टू बी क्लियर व्हाट विल बी वीसी इज इक्वल्स टू ये दोनों मल्टीप्लाई है तो 0.016 मीटर क्यूब वी गॉट वीसी एंड वी नो दैट V3 इज इक्वल्स टू वीसी फ्रॉम व्हाट फ्रॉम आवर पीवी डायग्राम फ्रॉम वी डायग्राम वी नो दैट V3 इज इक्वल्स टू वीसी। अभी हमको क्या मिला V3 मिला। अभी देखो V1 माइनस V3 VS है, हमारे पास क्या है V3 है VS है तो V1 मिलेगा कैसे VS प्लस V3 इज V1। अभी VS कितना है क्वेश्चन में दिया है 0.04 और V3 हमने फाइंड किया है 0.0016 तो ऐड करने के बाद V1 कितना आया 0.0416 मीटर क्यूब। अभी V1 मिला सो नाउ see now I can calculate the work done. We have V4, no we don't have V4, so what is the next step to calculate V4? I have to calculate the value of V4. See here we know that process 3 to 4 is what polytropic expansion process है। तो PV रिलेशन क्या होगा देखो P3 P4 इज इक्वल्स टू V4 बाई V3 रेज़ टू n। हमको क्या चाहिए हमको V4 चाहिए तो P3 P4 ये जो n इस साइड है इधर जाके क्या होगा 1/n होगा इज इक्वल्स टू V4 बाई V3। नाउ व्हाट विल V4 इज इक्वल्स टू P3 P4 into V3 raised to 1/4। We know that P3 is P2 P4 is P1। I have all these values V3 हमने कैलकुलेट किया था सो V4 कितना आया 0.005518 मीटर क्यूब। अभी नेक्स्ट स्टेप क्या है V1 माइनस V4 फाइंड करना है। हमको मिला V1 हमारे पास है कैलकुलेट किया था V4 अभी कैलकुलेट किया तो V1 माइनस V4 कितना आया 0.036 मीटर क्यूब। नाउ इजीली कैलकुलेट द वर्क डन। सभी टर्म्स है सब्स्टिट्यूट करने के बाद वर्क मिला कितना आया 7.016 किलो जूल। अभी देखो दिस वॉज फॉर सिंगल स्टेज कंप्रेशन, दिस वर्क डन फॉर्मूला किसको है वो सिंगल स्टेज कंप्रेशन है। अभी हम लोग व्हाट दे हैव आस्क्ड इन द क्वेश्चन दे हैव सेड दैट दिस कंप्रेसर इज डबल एक्टिंग सिलेंडर राइट। सो व्हाट इज गिवन अ डबल एक्टिंग कंप्रेसर, डबल बोले तो दो है इट इज मल्टी स्टेज। If it was maintained n number of cylinders 3 cylinders are there means you should multiply the given value by 3. Now what is given here double acting means we have multiplied the given value by 2 so we work then 2 into 14.03 kilojoules is your work. They have not asked us work, what they have asked they have asked us power. So the power is joules per second, speed into displacement, speed into work done, multiply work done by speed is 480 kilometers किलो में it was in revolutions per minute converted in seconds divided by 60 कितना आया पावर 112.25 kilowatts. What is the next step they have asked us to calculate the volume discharge. अभी देखो फॉर्मूला क्या है वॉल्यूम ऑफ एयर डिस्चार्ज का V1 माइनस V4 इज इक्वल्स टू V2 माइनस V3 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 2 इंटू स्पीड। डबल एक्टिंग सिलेंडर है वाई हैव टेकिंग इट 2 4 डबल एक्टिंग सिलेंडर सो आई एम टेकिंग अगर सिंगल एक्टिंग हो जाता तो आई शुड टेक ओनली n हियर, डबल एक्टिंग के लिए 2 मल्टीप्लाई किया है नंबर 2। नाउ सी वी डोंट हैव V2 वैल्यू, हाँ वी हैव V3 आई एम हैविंग V4 V1 सब कुछ है V2 नहीं है हमारे पास। सो टोटल V2 बाई V1 इज इक्वल्स टू P1 बाई P2 रेस्ट टू P1 बाई P2। सो व्हाट विल बी V2 बाई V1 इज इक्वल्स टू P1 बाई P2 रेस्ट टू 1/n। सो V2 विल बी व्हाट V1 इंटू P1 बाई P2 रेस्ट टू 1/n। हमारे पास V1 के वैल्यू है वी आर हैविंग V1 वी हैव P1 एंड P2 n is there substitute will get V2 as 0.012 मीटर क्यूब। अभी देखो V2 माइनस V3 इज इक्वल्स टू व्हाट V2 हमारे पास कितना था 0.012 कैलकुलेट किए हैं V3 इज VC दैट इज 0.0016 आई विल गेट V2 माइनस V3 इज इक्वल्स टू 0.0104 मीटर क्यूब। व्हाट इज एयर डिस्चार्ज इज इक्वल वॉल्यूम ऑफ एयर डिस्चार्ज इक्वल्स टू व्हाट V2 माइनस V3 इंटू 2 इंटू n। यहाँ फॉर्मूला है देखो V2 माइनस V3 इंटू 2 इंटू n। So 0.0104 into 2 into 4 by 60 I'll get air discharge at 0.1664 meter cube per second. This was the problem related to double acting cylinder. In tomorrow's class we will do all the problems which are important previous papers question papers.